Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into why WhatsApp bans accounts, how to avoid it, and what you can do if it happens to you. Section 1. WhatsApp's policies. WhatsApp bans accounts that violate its terms of service or community guidelines. Most bans fall under spamming illegal content, third-party app usage, automated or bulk messaging, suspicious behavior. WhatsApp uses AI systems and user reports to detect violations. Section 2. Common reasons for ban. Using modified WhatsApp apps. Apps like GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp Plus offer extra features, but they're not official. WhatsApp detects and bans users using these apps. Example, someone using GB WhatsApp to hide online status or read messages without blue ticks may get banned. Sending too many messages. Sending bulk messages, especially to unknown numbers, is considered spam behavior. Avoid forwarding the same message to hundreds of people. That's a red flag. Getting reported by users. If people report your messages as spam, abusive, or misleading, WhatsApp may take action. Example, forwarding fake news or inappropriate content can lead to multiple reports and eventually a ban. Please rotate your phone and come on phone home screen. First of all, open Chrome browser and go to search bar, then type whatsapp.com. After that, here you will see this interface. Click on 3 dot, which is top left, and go to Help Center. Scroll down and click on Contact Us. Here are some options. First option says that WhatsApp Messenger support. For all questions related to WhatsApp Messenger, click on Contact Us. Scroll down and click on here. Select Own Country. And here type WhatsApp number, which your WhatsApp account banned. Then type any email address. WhatsApp will send you notification for banned account. Confirm the same type of email address here. And scroll down. And here he says that what platform are you making a suggestion about. Choose one if your device is iPhone. So you select iPhone and my device is Android. I select Android phone, then type appeal. I attach this appeal in description. You can copy from the description and click on next step. Again, confirm send question. Your question has been sent. Go to back one step. Second option says that WhatsApp business support. Same here. Click on Contact Us. Then click on here. We will send the second appeal via email. Now type the same appeal here and send this appeal. After appealing a banned WhatsApp account, it can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours WhatsApp to review your case and potentially restore your account. If this video has helped you, don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.